Five freelancing websites you need to know. Now, when we talk about freelancing websites, we mean websites that you can be able to sell your skills. So whether you are a programmer or a content writer or a copywriter or the rest of them, so you just this with these websites you can be able to list your skills and sell your skills on the internet. So the first one we have is Fiverr.com. So you can go over to Fiverr.com and sign up as a freelancer and sell your skills. So the second one we have here is Upwork.com. Now, Upwork is another freelancing website that you can be able to list up what you can do, buy corners, and work for anyone that needs your skill or needs a work based on your field. So another website we have is freelancer.com. Freelancer is just same with fiverr.com, so you just have to register on freelancer.com and sell your skills here. So another website we have here is peopleperhour.com. Now peopleperhour.com is another website on where you can sell your skills. So the last website we have here is good.com. So good.com is another website that you can use to post a job on their website, and as well as get people messaging you in order to get a work done for them. So follow for more tips and tricks